Hi guys, welcome to Step 9. So in this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on converting general form to slope intercept form of linear equations. No? So we have here yung general form, we have ax plus by plus c equals 0. Tapos yung ax plus by equals c. No? So of course a, b, and c are real numbers. At yung slope-intercept form naman, y equals mx plus bm and b are real numbers. At yung m dyan, yun yung slope natin and b, yun yung intercept natin, yung y-intercept. Okay, so natapos na natin yung from general form to slope-intercept form. Ngayon, pabalik tayo, no? From slope-intercept to general form. Okay, since dalawa yung ginagamit natin, no? Sa ibang books kasi, yung number 1, yung form 1, saka yung form 2. Maybe we also compute for two forms. No? We do two forms. Okay, let's have our first example. We have y equals 2x plus 7. No? So this is in slope-intercept form. Yung m natin ay 2 at yung b natin ay 7. No? So gagawin natin, para siya maging form 1, pagsasamahin natin sila sa isang side lang, tapos 0 yung isang side. Pinakamadali dyan is to subtract y from both sides, di ba? So y equals 2x plus 7. Pag nag-subtract tayo ng y from both sides, magiging 0 na yung nasa kaliwa, no? So this becomes 0, no? And this becomes 2x plus 7 minus y. Kung gusto nyo, pwede natin ganitong itsura niya. So we have, ilipat natin sa kaliwa yung may 2x. So this becomes 2x. Instead of plus 7 muna, unahin natin yung may y kasi dito by yung nauna. So minus y plus 7 equals 0. So this is form number 1. Now, kung gusto nyo yung form number 2, tatanggalin natin yung 7 sa left hand side, no? Para yung c, which is 7, nasa right hand side siya. And we do that by, since addition siya, magsasubtract tayo. 2x minus y plus 7 equals 0. Since plus 7 siya, para matanggal yan, magba-minus 7 tayo. 2x minus y plus 7 equals 0. And we add 7. We subtract 7 from both sides. So this becomes 2x minus y na lang kasi yung 7 minus 7 is already 0. And then 0 minus 7 is just negative 7. Therefore, ito yung ating pangalawang form. So, either of the two is correct. Depende na lang sa teacher nyo kung saan pinapa-convert, kung sa form 1 ba o sa form 2. Okay? Let's have one more example before we end. We have number 2, we have 5x minus 8. Y equals 5x minus 8. So, ganun din, no? We subtract y from both sides para maging 0 naman. Actually, pwede naman tayo mag-subtract ng 5x minus 8, pero masyado siyang, masyado siyang mahirap no? Kumpara dun sa y lang yung tatanggalin natin. So again, we subtract y from both sides. Y equals 5x minus 8. So we subtract y para maging 0 yung nasa kaliwa. And then we have 0 equals 5x minus 8 minus y. And then again, babalik ta rin natin para maging kapareho niya itong form 1. Sa kanan yung 0. But this is already correct actually. So 5x, and then unahin natin yung y, no? Minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Kasi nauna yung y dun sa constant. Which means that this is our form 1. Ngayon, kung gusto natin yung form 2, kung saan nasa kanan yung constant, we have 5x minus y minus 8 equals 0, no? So we add plus 8 para para mawala yung 8, yung minus 8. So 5x minus y equals 8. 0 plus 8 is just 8. So ito yung ating form 2. Okay, so we will have more examples in the next videos, no? Siguro may dalawang videos pa para makita natin yung mga different options, no? Saka mga iba't ibang klase ng given. So kayo invite sa zip9.com yung ating website at syempre yung ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9page. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.